Ni kigomano kia mbeu njithi gitaruini kia Africa Youth Connect Summit kiria kirahanikira guku Nairobi na itanya ria kuhe mbeu njithi mweke wa unyitaniri na gwikuria. Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William RUTO aitika kunyita mbaru ritana riake ria guthegio kwa mihaka ya kiwonjoria gatagati ka mabũrũri ma Afrika. Riu agitariria itanya riake ria bururi wa Kenya kuhingura mihaka yaguo kuri raia othe ya mabũrũri ma gitaro giki ica ikuhi kuria matari batarikanagia visa kuingira.
We need to eliminate processes of visa requirement for African countries as we strive to ensure the attainment of Africa's borderless commerce.
Kurigana na RUTO itaro igeta gitaro kia Ruraya kana European Union gikurite na gikiro kinene kumana na itua ria kweheria mihaka ya kiwonjoria gatagati ka mabũrũri makio na uguo njira ino ni njira gitithiriria hanene gukuria mabũrũri 54 maria mari gitaro-ini giki kia Africa.
The visas they told us or they taught us, they themselves have abolished visas in 27 countries. They today are borderless. They are visaless. 450 million people. Explain to me why we should continue to have visas in our continent when those who taught us about visas have abandoned them.
RUTO ni ikitie ritana kuri mabũrũri ma gitaro giki gutua itua iromu ria kunyitirira mbeu njithi kuona nio mari na uhoti munene wa gukuria utonga wa mabũrũri mao kuona mari na uhoti na ugi wa kiriu uria ubatarikanite.
You are now the custodians of this dream, this idea envisaged by our forefathers.
The youth of this country and the youth of Africa are looking for opportunities where they can work across counties and across nations, and we should provide those opportunities.
Mugaru na uge wa ati mbeu njithi ni atongoria rucio anyitite mikigomano-ini giki ni manyitiriire ritana ria ati mbeu njithi matibatie gutigwo na thutha miathanire-ini na tabarira ingi iriri kuo umuthi mabũrũri-ini matiganite undu ndungitithiriria kurehe maiganania ma miathanire na uthii wa na mbere.
We are in a new process of creating a new Africa, one that is founded on a rock-solid belief in our own capacity.
We want you to be the leaders in business. We want you to be the leaders in sports. We want you to be the leaders in the creative economy. And we also want you to take leadership in the political management of your respective countries.
Kuna thina munene wa kwagirithia uthunduri na wonjoria hari mbeu njithi ukoretwo ari wagi wa kigina kiiganu. Thirikari cia mabũrũri ma Afrika ni ihoetwo kuhimbiria njira huthu cia gukinyiria mbeu njithi ya kigina kiria gitari na uritu gukinyirika kiria kiri mateithagiriria kwambiriria mawira mao.
We have facilitated access to finance for young people through affirmative action funds, namely the Hustler Fund, Youth Enterprise Fund, Wezo Fund, Women Enterprise Fund, and National Government Affirmative Action Fund.
One of the things that can help you grow and expand is to have a sober Africa.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV, retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.